This is the TCL Vidrian Mini LED TV. So instead of using local dimming zones like you'll find on most TVs, there's actually LEDs throughout a glass substrate. So LEDs are embedded in the glass, and then each LED controls one zone of lighting. So instead of having a zone that might be the size of your hand, it's just the size of an LED. What this can do is deliver better contrast and luminance. So you might get better HDR support, deeper blacks, and when you're looking at something where there's more black on one section of the screen and a highlight right in the center, that should be a better image quality. This is an 8K TV version, and this is supposed to be coming out later this year. We're gonna have a variety of different sizes. Right here, they're showing off the 75-inch version. This will be part of the TCL 8 series line. They're working with Roku on 8K TV sets, so we think this will be part of that. You can find out more information down in the link below. You can find more information down in the link below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.